Right now, the sentiment score for education sits at minus 0.11, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This negative sentiment indicates a shift in perception that could signal emerging challenges in the education sector, even as momentum holds steady at 0. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind these numbers. For instance, you could use this data to assess public opinion on a new educational policy, allowing you to tailor your communications effectively. To dive deeper into this insight and others, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to drive informed decisions in education together.